Now this is a short video on the Roman push-pull saw from Vertillum in France, or should we say Roman Gaul. And as you can see, in keeping with many Roman saws, it's quite an unusual design. It has a small handle with a curly end for gripping, and it also has a front part which I presume is for holding. This is a push-pull saw. It works both on the push and the pull stroke. It has a small set on it, and it's basically in keeping with most saws designed of knife technology. So it has a thick back and a thin blade front, and by setting the teeth it allows it to cut wider than the back blade. So let's give it a go. Now the saw works remarkably well, and I think, to be honest, given the size and the double-handedness of it, it's probably designed for use on bone and antler. That's a Roman push-pull saw from Vertillum.